is David. He's from Long Island. We did a little work on his 96 Caprice, and we did a little bit of paint work on it, a little bit of a blend, a little bit of a repair. I'll pop in a video with some of the stuff that we did to it, but it's a really neat, really low miles car. I always wanted one, never been able to find one, especially as clean as this one. He's got the police package, LT1, 350, of course, that's what they came with. And he just got the white walls put on it. We love it, and he's going to tell you a little bit about it. Come on.
Well, this is a 96. I've owned a 94 Impala SS. I owned a 94 Roadmaster wagon and 96 wagon. Out of all the B bodies, this is my favorite. Handles the best, drives the best. I just like it.
And what's the code again, Dave? For
it has a B4U package.
B4U package.
Schooling and suspension package.
Yeah.
So it's got
Schooling, suspension.
It's got the best of the police package and the Impala SS options.
Yep. And what was the color called again? I know I ordered the paint. Was it cherry?
Dark cherry.
Dark cherry, yeah, dark cherry. And how many did they make?
I believe with the 96, what I was told, the B4Us, they only made like 6,000 and so many of them.
Yep. So low amount, low production.
And it's only got 42,000 miles on it, which makes it nice and clean. It was a retired man's car.
Retired guys. And what's that color called in the interior? Did they do different ones?
That's, they call it, it's a beige, a light beige.
A light beige.
Yeah.
Did they offer them with any other interior colors?
They had a little darker beige, and they had, you know, you could get black or it's gray.
They had,
gray,
oh yeah,
gray would be
you're
the
right.
color.
You're right. I've seen them with the grays.
Yeah.
Really cool. Can we look under the hood? Pop the hood?
Yeah, well, it's not detailed, but I'll tell you.
That's all right. Is there supposed to be an emblem on these?
Yeah. Okay. Well, in the front, it'll tell you it's a 5.7 liter. Right here.
Oh yeah. Yep. And then the SS Impala.
Yeah.
Right. Now, what was the difference in the motor? Is there any?
Same motor.
Same motor
the
in the SS
all
Impala.
the 5.7s are the same in the SS Impala, the Roadmasters, or it was option in the Chevrolet for the 5.7.
Right. And they're supposed to be fast, man. I never
They're
drove
quick.
one.
There's no slouches.
They
This
move
one
pretty-
has the highway gears in it, so
Yeah.
it don't take off too fast. But you're going
Once it's
you
going,
go
it's
60
going.
to 100 in a heartbeat.
Right. Probably a police thing, right? They want those highway gears.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's clean. It's solid. All right, cool. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. We'll do a walk around, and please remember, like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.